over.
Toy time. This is too small.
Seriously?
Yeah, it just goes right in. Yeah, that worked. Shit, I think I'm gonna have to take this cover off.
Hi, buddy. He's helping fix the blazer.
Well, we wasn't able to figure out what's wrong with the blazer. I think it may just be nothing, and it just likes to shake a little, but whatever, I'm over it. Just gonna drive it, and if it breaks, then it breaks, and I'll fix it then, I guess.
Hi guys, I'm in the vlog now. He's at this automotive store, and I saw a food store, like a foreign food store. So that's me, ding ding ding, taste test Tuesday. So I ran in there while he's shopping in here, and he's still waiting for his part right now. But I got a bag of goodies from I'm actually not sure what the store is called, but I'm gonna go outside and film the outside so that I can put that into my taste test Tuesday. Oh, there's a bunch of hockey stuff on clearance. Probably none of my team. There's Jets, Flames, more Jets over there. Looks like it's only Jets and Flames. So, oh, there's Canucks. Like so. Look at that. Show your pride. Let's see if he likes this. Oh, not down there. Oh, he's not down there. Oh. No, he left. Just kidding.
What?
A decal.
Oh.
Do you want it?
No, I don't like it.
He doesn't like them anymore. What's up? I don't know if you can hear me. I feel very echoey. I can never wear that.
It's hot in there.
It's hot in there. Look at Chadifer's creation. Oh my.
Yum. And chicken and ribs.
Oh yeah. Look.
Well, we need a spoon for this one.
Okay.
Yum 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 yum.
Hello! Eric's not wrong. Oh my god. Give her some
It's
coke.
Thanksgiving, everybody gets a plate. She loves her carrots though. And she's still outside. I can't vouch for it, it is really good. I ate a whole plate of it myself.
10.
Sounds made up. You didn't get anything. Oh, you little... This little bugger.
Look at all. Wow. 2 cheese, 1 X, 1
You're beat up.
My balls.
Oh, it didn't stick. I hit the middle one too.
That's like a...
Nice throw, superstar.
What can you do with those?
TNTs.
Yeah, you suck.
TNTs. You can... You can blow up... You can blow up rocks.
That thing's horrible. Here, let me install it. Oh, reinstalled by me properly, and it works, doesn't it?
Yeah, 100.
Yeah, 100.
75, 100, 100.
Okay, that doesn't count. You're gonna rip it out.
Again, 20.
What'd you get, 10?
20.
Horrible. Horrible.
So you get 3 shots, and we'll see who gets the better score of your dodos. You're 20 plus 0.
75. I hit 75, but it didn't stick.
Oh, Shaylin's just being a buzzkill. A buzzkill. You know what happens to people that are buzzkills?
Wow.
Hey, we're trying to play.
You missed.
Well, what is that's 75 and
That's 10.
No, it
It's 10.
It was don't. Water. Oh, crap! No, she's gonna shoot us.
Go attack them.
How? He's a Nerf gun. No,
Oops. Oops.
We're taking the puzzle apart. Oh my god.
Earthquake! Earthquake!
This is the puzzle. We're done it. Now we're gonna do a new one.
No, we're not.
I'm gonna do a new one.
No, you're not.
Giving this one to Value Village. So if you guys are shopping at Value Village and if you see this donated, I donated it. If you live in my city.
Donated it. I just finished The Walking Dead and now it is time for bed. And the camera's flashing red. So we're just gonna go ahead.
Good night.
See you later. Bye, Cooper. Bye.
Oh my god.
And I just epically failed my entire life. Nutella shit all over my pants. So that's awesome. Here's the way I start the day. Nutella on a piece of bread. Yay.